Shut up and sit down.
We're about 20-something miles away from our load check here. And we got a bit of, blowing snow. So the snow's lighting up, it's blowing up, being kicked up by passing traffic, by the wind. Getting a little cloudy, a little foggy. Other than that, the road's still good, traffic's still flowing okay. Faster trucks pass me on the flats and the downhills. I'm nice and light, so I'm passing them on the uphills. I only have about 7,800 pounds on the truck, so my uphill speed is a lot better than theirs. So having a problem with my the coolant sensor in the top of the coolant reservoir. It gets just slightly out of skew and it goes wild. But when you look at the coolant reservoir, it's above the minimum. Oh well, see if we can't get that replaced at some time. Other than that, we're riding along pretty good. So we'll be at our load check in just a couple of minutes. All right, here's our toll at mile 18. We're going to go through lane number 6 just for the heck of it. it wasn't that fun. Crossing over the Cuyahoga River. A little bit of a ski area off to the right. Just barely see it past the window. Never knew that was there till today. Right next to the Cuyahoga River off of I-80. Never knew that was there any other time I've gone up and down this road. Outside of, south of Cleveland, little small mountain or really big hill, but enough room for a chairlift and a couple ski runs.